everyone, I hope you are having a super duper good day and welcome back to my channel Melodrama by Tanya. And the tutorial that I am going to share with you guys today is the orange tutorial, how to cover your dark circles and any dark kind of spots or frames or lines or pigmentation all over your face. A lot of times, a lot of my friends, a lot of people have asked me to do this video, so keeping them in mind, let's get started today. So I'll show you a few products that you do know that you would really need. I'm sure you've seen like all these different videos with people like applying orange color on their face or red color on their face or like a really pinky peachy color on their face. Well, you do need something like that because those colors counteract the pigmentation, any dark pigmentation on your skin, and by using them and a foundation on top, you can absolutely go and color correct your face. So today I'm just going with this orange color by Cryolan, and this is the D30. It's a Dermacolor camouflage cream, and that's what I'm gonna start with. So my face is absolutely bare. I just have a little bit of cream on my face and just using like a little flat brush. Firstly, I'm gonna go under my eyes. Now the key to this is don't rub it in. You don't want it to spread all over. So wherever you can see the darkness, which is mostly on the under eye, on the inside corners of the eye, I'm gonna look like a panda. On the top of your lip, this area usually for Asian people tends to get quite dark, and we always struggle to kind of try to conceal it. So I'm gonna do that. Now wherever you find dark spots, like as I talk, I can feel a little bit here, here, so I'm ready to go out. Let's go party. Alright, so I'm going to put this wherever I feel I have more of a darker skin tone. And where you feel that, you know, you need it. So you can see I've gone ahead and done it pretty much all over my face. Now, I'm going to go ahead with just this MAC concealer. It's like a trio. And I'm just going to go over the top of my eye. And you should go ahead, actually, why not? Because the top of my eyes are quite dark too. So I'm gonna go ahead and just put some here, just to neutralize my eyelids. You can use this as an eyeshadow too, and feel free to go as high or low as you want. I'm just gonna go with some concealer from here and just pat it on the top of my eye. Now once we've gone with the orange, we're gonna go and start neutralizing this color. So it's very important not to rub, because if you rub, the orange and your skin tone color concealer that you're using is gonna mix together and you're gonna get like a really peachy looking face, which is what we don't want. We just want this to stay at the base and the rest of it just to go on top of it. So I'm gonna go today with my Huda Beauty foundation, and this one is Butter Pecan 330N. I'm just gonna squeeze a little generous drop at the back of my hand. And just with my flat brush, you'll see I'm just going to dab and erase all the places where I have orange. like this. So I'm not rubbing to make it pink. I'm just gently dabbing. I take another squirt of foundation. And you should be a little generous, more generous with your foundation when you're doing an orange. Because you will tend to use a little wee bit more. But you can see how it's covering and just like totally erasing everything on my face. There we go. Because at the end of the day, you don't want to look like an orange fireball. I'm gonna go on the under of my eye with a smaller brush. Make sure to cover your hairline. Because a lot of time I see people just forget to cover, go all the way up, so you just get that little white on the top of the head, and then your whole face is brown. So this step, like I said, is so important if you are trying to conceal dark circles for yourself, on a client, however. And the good alternative is, it doesn't always have to be orange. You can go ahead and use a red lipstick under the eyes or wherever you wish. So like you can see, my face is quite blurred and totally concealed. I'm gonna go with a bit of concealer under my eyes, and the one that I'm gonna use today, I'll probably go for a lighter concealer, and this is NC20 by MAC. I think one squirt should be enough. And just with my little concealer brush, I'm just gonna go under my eye. And at this point, as you can see, there is literally no orange visible anywhere. Eyebrows. And now you can use a brush, you can use a sponge. I just like to go with my finger and just pat it. So I've gone ahead and done that now. So you can see the coverage, complete coverage without any orange being visible. I'm gonna go ahead with my powder now, and I'm using the Huda Beauty powder in Pound Cake. And just with a nice fluffy brush, make sure you take it off a bit. I don't have the patience to bake, so I just go all over my face with the powder, just to give me that really flawless kind of finish. Make sure I have it over my eyes, and all over my face. If you touch your face, it should not feel sticky. And if it does, feel free to just powder it a bit more. Now this kind of heavy powdering I would definitely recommend not for the day, because I see so many people roaming around here and there with like really heavy bases and faces. I'm just not one of those. So if you're like me, I would probably do this at night when I'm going out and have like a really smooth kind of flawless finish, which you can see. And now I'm just gonna go with a quick eyeshadow. And I think I'm done. So that is my finished look. Like you can see, sorry, I just don't like my hair in my face while I'm filming, but you can see the closer look. This was like a full high coverage tutorial on how to cover your dark circles under your eyes, any pigmentation on the face, just using an orange or a red, whether it's a lipstick or a concealer or any kind of thing that can counteract the darkness on your face. And I'll just give you a close-up look of what I've done. And I have gone ahead and hidden all my flaws, all the darkness with just these few tips and tricks. The makeup tutorial on the eyes was just complimentary. So if you've gone ahead and watched this video towards the complete end or even halfway, go ahead and like my channel, Melodrama by Tanya, subscribe to it, leave your comments below in case you can see some orange in my face, because I don't think you can now, or if you can see anything else or any kind of other video that you want me to make, and I would be so happy to do that. But there's it. So I hope you liked it and enjoyed it. See ya and have a great day, and I'll see you soon again. Bye.